billions of years of evolutionary advancement.
And then we have Kassie.
Happy day, I am good.
I feel like I should be more festive.
I have to sneeze.
You're not way into your ears.
Excuse me.
Bless your soul.
Thank you. I need some drink. Look how nice that is. Nice and right. Adds flavor. On second thought, we might actually need the blender, but I like this.
Wait, to find out if we're gonna die?
Yeah, this is to test how long you're gonna live. It's not really a personality test, but it is in a way in that it like tells you your health.
Oh, sorry.
And she's already sneezing and dying. Okay, so me and Lauren are gonna do this right now, and you in the comments, you follow along. Okay, first.